In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook story not showing on your mobile. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So they should be here on the home page, so in the stories area. So as you can see, I have this feature. So how can you get it on your mobile? Basically, make sure that you have the latest version. You can visit App Store or Google Play to make sure that you have the latest version or update your app. Then make sure that you have the internet connection. If it doesn't help, so all you need now is just to open your Facebook right up here and then just click on your account icon in the right bottom corner to open this page. Then just scroll down to go to help and support. So just click help and support and then choose report a problem right up here. So now we need to click on continue to report and then just choose include in report to include our logs. So after that we need to scroll down right up here to choose like stories, and then we need to describe our problem. I don't have access to Facebook story. Please fix it. So then just click on send. So in a few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days, the Facebook team will add this feature to our account, or they will send us the letter how can we fix it by ourselves. So this is the only one way how you can get stories on your mobile. I hope guys this video helped you a lot and it was helpful for you. Please leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.